Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on the rise of information society. An information society is one where creation, distribution and manipulation of information has become the most significant economic and cultural activity. It is different from an industrial or agrarian society, where bullocks and plows were the major tools for use. On the other hand, computers and telecommunications are the pillars of strength in case of information society. Information technologies are changing the way we live, work, do business, study, and learn, and even how we enjoy ourselves. In short, it can be said that information society is one which is characterized by a high level of information intensity in the everyday lives of citizens, organizations, and workplaces, by the use of common or compatible technology for a wide range of personal, social, educational, and business activities. It has the ability to transmit, receive, and exchange digital data rapidly between places, irrespective of distance. But all the change that information society has brought, it is not all good and bright. There has been severe criticism of the digital divides which have been created, which could be seen even more prominently during the times of the COVID-19 pandemic. Divide can also be seen in terms of growing concentration of benefits from digitalization and in several arenas such as jobs, wages, health, and security, etc. Access to internet has become an essential part of modern life, necessary to ensure freedom of expression, political participation, and other fundamental rights. It provides an invaluable space where marginalized communities initiate social change and identities are created. The United Nations Human Rights Council has addressed internet access in several non-binding resolutions on the promotion, protection, and enjoyment of human rights on the internet. One such resolution emphasizes the importance of applying a human rights-based approach to internet access and calls on states to promote affordable and reliable connectivity, digital access, and digital inclusion. While this is no legal mandate and only suggestive in nature, it marks a very important step towards greater legal recognition of internet access rights. Right to internet is implicit in established human rights, including the freedom of expression, which is codified in Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. In the times we live, it is impossible to imagine a wholesome life without internet, because lack of internet would imply lack of education, lack of healthcare facilities, and also lack of economic and social resources. It is for this reason that it is being argued that internet access should be recognized as a fundamental human right, because, firstly, it is implicit in, and secondly, it is indivisible with, and thirdly, it is necessary for the realization of other fundamental human rights. It is worth noting that in India, even though right to internet access is not a fundamental right, a major breakthrough happened in Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India, where the Supreme Court of India held that freedom of speech and expression and freedom to practice any profession over the medium of the internet enjoys constitutional protection under Articles 19(1)A and Article 19(1)G. However, let's take a look at the real picture. Software Freedom Law Center, a tech-based policy think tank, keeps a track of all the internet shutdown incidents that happened in the country, both reported and unreported ones. Yes, most internet shutdowns are not even reported by the mainstream media. As per their findings, a total of 132 shutdowns happened in 2020, 101 in 2021, and already 60 such shutdowns have happened in 2022. The question we must ask is, are these shutdowns happening in violation of our constitutional mandate and international obligations? I'll leave you with that thought. That's something we all need to deliberate upon. Thank you and take care.